welcome to the first day of Cookmas. If you're new to my channel, Cookmas is my Christmas holiday baking series, and so this month I'm uploading every single day from Monday to Friday. So today is the first day of Cookmas, which is so exciting, and we are making a tea advent calendar. So I know we're like a couple days into December already, but like so many advent calendars are sold out, and this is really cool, so I should keep watching. So let's get started. Okay, so what I have here are individual little containers of tea, but they are not mixed tea. It's like pre-mixed tea, and I got these off Amazon, so I'll link them down below. But it's so cool because you can find all these different components of any kind of category of tea that you like flat tea, green tea, I think white tea, herbal tea, everything, and then you can mix them together to create your own variations of tea, which like I love. This is not sponsored, by the way, I'm just like too excited. So you'll need those, and you will need some empty ornaments. So mine are plastic, they're from Michaels. I cannot for the life of me find them online. I've tried like year after year, but Michaels always has them, and it's still early in the season, so check there. You can use glass if you like. I'm a little bit worried about them falling and shattering, but it's totally up to you. So all you need to do, it's super easy, is just combine the teas in any which way that you like. You can kind of open them, smell them, give them a sniff, and kind of imagine what they would taste like together. And then use a little funnel and pour them into the ornament. You can make a lot if you have a big family, you all want to share in the tea every day, or if it's just you can add a little bit, which is what I did, which is why like they're not completely full. And then for an added festive touch, I got some holiday sprinkles. So depending on the tea that you're using, you can use like white sprinkles for like an icy look, or you can use crushed candy canes, or like more green and red sprinkles. I think that this is such a cute touch and really personalizes the tea. And then just place the little topper thing back on the Christmas bauble. And if you like, you can write what each tea is, or you can just write a number from 1 to 24 or 25, however you want to do it. I think 25 is good because like, I know you're already getting presents on Christmas Day, but like, you can have it more. You deserve a cup of tea on Christmas Day too. And then have a little notepad on the side to like note down what you added so that you know what you're drinking each day. But yeah, I think that this is such a cool thing to do for yourself or do it as a gift. It's really easy, and you can like allow yourself to be as creative as you like. And if you are obsessed with tea, you know your flavors, you know your ingredients, so this is like the perfect time for you to get creative and make your dream tea. So yeah, you are done. I always have to include that somehow in the video. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. I hope that you like this kind of like theme video. Every year I do advent calendars, so I'll link a bunch of other ones in the cards here if you want to check it out. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. We are making, I'm like, should I tell you? I'm like, no, I always include a description, like a hint in the description box down below. So go check it out. Also on Instagram, I am opening the dogs' advent calendar every day on my Insta story. So if you would like to see my dogs eat cookies and play with toys every single day in December, go check it out, because like I've done 2 days so far and like they're so cute. Oh my goodness. So anyways, yes, I love you so much. Happy holidays, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.